Japanese curry is one of the most popular home dishes in Japan. If you've ever wanted to make it yourself, you might be wondering where to start. You can make it with Curry Roux or completely from scratch. Today, I'll show you both simple methods so you can make rich, mild Japanese curry at home. If you want something quick and easy, using Curry Roux is the way to go. You simply dissolve the roux at the end, and the flavor comes together right away. In fact, most households in Japan make curry this way. But if curry roux isn't available where you live, or if you like to control the sweetness and spices yourself, you can also make Japanese curry completely from scratch. Let's start with curry roux. First, prepare the ingredients. Today we are using classic vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Instead of meat, I'll be using canned mackerel. Slice the onion into wedges. Peel the potatoes and carrots and cut them into large chunks. Heat some oil in a pot over medium heat and start by cooking the onions. Cook until the onions become slightly translucent. This helps bring out their natural sweetness and adds depth of flavor. Add the potatoes and carrots and cook briefly. Since I'm using canned mackerel, I can simply add it to the pot. If you're using meat, cook it lightly with the vegetables. Next, add water. Use slightly less than the amount listed on the curry roux package so that you can adjust the thickness later. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Turn off the heat before adding the curry roux. This helps prevent lumps. You can also chop the roux into smaller pieces first, which helps it dissolve more smoothly. Once the roux is almost dissolved, return the pot to low heat and simmer while stirring until the curry thickens. Serve the curry over rice and it's ready to enjoy. Here are a few tips for choosing curry roux. First, check the spice level on the package. You can choose mild, medium, or hot depending on your preference. Most curry roux contains animal fats, so if you're vegetarian or vegan, look for plant-based versions. Many roux also contain wheat, but there are gluten-free options made with rice flour. However, these options might not always be easy to find depending on where you live. So if you can't find them, you can also make Japanese curry from scratch. Let's make Japanese curry without curry roux. The preparation and simmering steps are the same as before. Cut the vegetables, cook them, and simmer on low heat. While the vegetables are cooking, we will make the curry roux from scratch. First, prepare the curry powder. Here I'm using a simple homemade blend with turmeric, coriander, and cumin. You can add black pepper or chili pepper for extra heat. You can also use store-bought curry powder instead. This red SB curry powder is a classic in Japan and easy to find at Japanese grocery stores. In a separate pan, melt the butter and add the flour. Cook until smooth and creamy. Reduce the heat, add the curry powder, and stir constantly to blend. Turn off the heat and add the mango chutney, ketchup, and salt. If you don't have mango chutney, grated apple or fruit jam works well as a substitute. This will give you a mild, slightly sweet curry roux. Add the roux to the pot in 2 or 3 batches, stirring well each time until it dissolves. Simmer on low heat until the curry thickens. Taste the curry and adjust as needed. If you want more spice, add a little black pepper or chili powder. If it becomes too spicy, a small amount of milk, yogurt, or honey can mellow the flavor. If the flavor seems too light, simmer it a little longer to concentrate it. Serve the curry over rice, and it's ready to enjoy. If you want something quick and easy, try making Japanese curry with roux. If you like to experiment a little more, making curry from scratch is also a great option. I hope you enjoy making Japanese curry at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question or request, I'd love to hear from you in the comments.